Hello guys and welcome. Let's go create cross traffic animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, from Google you can get this image. If you type cross traffic, you will be able to see a lot of images like this. Then what about the slides size? What I did was, if you go to design, okay, and then go for slide size, then navigate to custom slide size. Okay, in this case you could see that my width is 19.05, then the height is 33.867. okay, and have a look at the orientation here, portrait and landscape. When you get that, then go for OK, and that is how I got this slides size. Okay, so right now what I will do is to take this image to cover the background. Okay, then what about the cars? I got these cars from Google. So if you go to Google, I use the Jaguar. Okay, for example, you will see a lot of them. Just go for images. I actually use the area back view. If I want to get the back, you can use the area front view. You see a lot of cars. Just go copy one. What I did was, let's use this one for example. I used my snipping tool. Okay, snipping tool is an application in Windows, so I use that snipping tool to get hold of it. Let me go for this. Then right here I will go select a section of this. Then I will go for edit and copy. The next website I used I think was remove.bg. I have already copied that car. Here I will place my cursor. I will click on that and go for the control key and letter V, control V on my keyboard. That will paste the car. Immediately this will remove the background image. Then you will have to right click on that and go for copy image. Then let's go back to PowerPoint. Here I will use control V, the control key and letter V to paste it. Have a look and see. You can now minimize it. So that was how I got the images. Okay, I will delete this because I'm not going to be using that. Place them outside the slide. Okay, one should be here, one should be here, one here, and one here. So after that, on your keyboard, click on one, then go and hold down the shift key on your keyboard to select the remaining three. So that is what we're gonna do. So I will hold down the shift key. I will select this and this. Keep on holding the shift key until everything is selected. I will select this. Then we're done with this. Then navigate to animations and then go for add animation. Go straight to motion parts and click on the lines. Okay, then after that you could see that all of them have been selected. Now what we have to do is to give them duration of 3, then let all start with previous. Then from the drop down list, click and go for effect options. Then here go remove that smooth start, decrease that to 0. Okay, then after that, go for timing. You could go for until end of slide, but let me go and repeat this like 10 times. Okay, I will go for 10 times and then go for OK. So once you are done, what you have to do here is to just click on that arrowhead, the red one, and take it to the opposite side. That arrowhead is there because I mistakenly played the animation. But if you didn't play the animation, you will see a duplicate of that car. Take that car, the whole of it, and take it to the opposite side. Okay, then take this red, click and take it to the end of the opposite side. You could see that this one goes with it. I need this one back from that. Then I will take this from here and take it to this end. Then I will take it back again. Then we have to take this one as well. Click on that and drag it to the end. If the green part goes with it, you have to take it back. So if we play this, so we need to avoid this accident. Okay, we're gonna delay the movement of at least 2 cars. Okay, we have to stop it. Then let me go for, let me check this, it's number 4. So we can delay this 120. Let me go to 120. You can play around with this to know which one to delay. Okay, it's not that difficult. Let me delay this 125. Let's play it again. Yeah, we got it. The next thing here is to import audios. Okay, I got some audios from Facebook. Okay, I will have to go for insert, and then let me go for audio on my PC, muted traffic, insert. So once that is inserted, make sure you go click on play in background. Okay, we need a horn. I will have to go import that as well. Insert. I will navigate to audio here, audio on my PC, car horn. Then I will have to go for play in background, which after previous is not gonna work properly, so I will have to go change that to with previous. Then let's play it once again. So it keeps repeating, so we can go do something here. I will click on that horn, go for the drop down list, and then navigate to effect options, then timing. Let's go for 2 times, and then okay, and then let's go play again. Guys, remember that the audios must start with previous. If you don't do that, it's not gonna work, so make sure that audios start with previous. So guys, that is it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share it if you want. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.